Hello everybody, this is Elad Moradir from Elad Reviews and welcome for a new video. In the video today I'm going to give you a quick review about a new software called Curation Cloud. This is the new version of this software. We are going to see what is exactly, how to use it, what you can do with it. We are going also to go over the prices and the upsell of this program, and I'm also going to show you all the custom mega bonuses bundle that I built for you that you can buy, that you can get if you will buy Curation Cloud with my link. So if this video interests you, let's get started. So right now you are watching my screen. This is my computer, and what you are watching right now, this is the dashboard, the members area of Curation Cloud. If you will buy this product, you will get the same members area that you are watching right now, and from here you are doing all the posting, all the content, all the connection to your social account, and I'm going to go over it in a few minutes. But for start, let's see what you can exactly do with this program. Go into the price and the upsell of this program, and also going to see my bonus page. So right now you are watching my bonus page. You can go to this bonus page and watch it. If you are clicking on the link on the description down below this video, you will see this exact same bonus page that you are watching on the screen right now. And if you are going to click on one of these yellow buttons that says click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, you will redirect to Curation Cloud sales page. That's something that I'm going to go over it in a few minutes. So what is exactly Curation Cloud and what you can do with it? So this is a system that allows you to build website and blogs, and what you can do with this program, you can post viral content from all of the network right into your social media accounts, or to your website or your blog. So with this program you can build really good website, really good blogs about every single niche. The content feed is updated every minute from a viral content from all over the network, and with few clicks you can post it right into your WordPress blog, to your social media account. You can get a really good viral news website, and then you can use this website to affiliates, to AdSense website, so make money with Google Ads. You can let's say build a website about fitness and then promote ClickBank product. You can do a lot of things with a viral news website, and with Curation Cloud you can do it really simple and really quick. So it's really good program for people that love content marketing, and with this software you can do it really easy. So what is the price of Curation Cloud is $27. So make sure you take this offer because the price is rising every hour. So in the front end of Curation Cloud you will get the Curation Cloud content finder, calendar, unlimited scheduling, up to free social profile, up to free blogs or website, auto posters, so one post per day, post preview, automatic citations, and unlimited backlinks. So this is the front end of Curation Cloud. You can get it for $27, and also you can get all these upsells that you can read right here. So the upsell number one is Curation Cloud monetization for $37, Curation Cloud Pro, done for you niches, Curation Cloud reseller license, and done for you starter site, your own online business. And this is a complete online business, you can get it for $497, and they will give you a done for you website that start making you real money. So this is Curation Cloud, and let's see what is the bonuses that you can get if you are buying Curation Cloud with my link. So the bonus number one is Engager plugin for your website. So this is a WordPress plugin that you just need to install on your website, and you can start creating quizzes and polls on your website. You are getting data and statistics from your customers, what they love, what they like, which content they want to see, which videos. You can do it a lot of things, and with this plugin you can get a better engagement for your website. So this really nice tool that you can get. The bonus number two is make your website blazing fast. So what you need to do is this is another WordPress plugin. You just need to install it on your WordPress website, and make your website a lot more faster. So with that you will not lose any visitor, any customers that comes to your website. You don't need to wait a lot, and you will not leave your website, because this plugin will optimize your website to get the best speed and get most of the speed that you can get from the website. So this is bonus number two. The bonus number three is Crush It with Content Marketing. So this is an PDF. This is an ebook that what you can get here is how to do good website with content marketing, how to exactly use it. So which post you need to post, which videos you need to use, when to use videos and images, when to set it on your page, and a lot of more things that make your viral news content marketing website a lot more better. So this is bonus number three. And bonus number four is TikTok traffic secrets. So TikTok is one of the most popular social application. A lot of people are going into TikTok, and you can actually make with TikTok a lot of money. So in this tutorial, this is another training about TikTok, how you can get the most traffic with it, and how you can use it right to post your website and your landing page, your affiliate page, and a lot of more. And the bonus number five is the best product to promote for affiliate marketer. So if you are affiliate marketer, or if not, this is good for you. You can get the best product that you can promote. Most of them is with recurring commission, so you can make money every single month. So after you are building and having a good viral news website, you can also promote these products on your website or in your landing page, and you can make a lot of money. This is the best product with the higher conversion rates that this is a really good list with the price, how much money that you can get, and also when you can get your affiliate link. So this is bonus number five. And the last bonus is a special bonus, is an access to all vendor bonuses. So you can get also all the bonuses that vendors gives, you can also get. So you can find them on the sales page. So the bonus number one by the vendor is income bots. This is an bots for Facebook Messenger that can generate you a lot of leads and can semi-automate your customer support. The bonus number two is Insta Passive, so how you can become an Instagram marketing expert, and how you can start making really good results and making good money with Instagram. And the number three is Rapid Ads. So this is all about Facebook ads, how to install the Facebook ads pixel, and a lot more, how you can get really good profit with Facebook ads. So this is the free bonuses that you can get by the vendor. and you can also get all the bonuses that I will show you on this page if you will buy with my link. So all you need to do is to click on the link on the description down below this video. You will go to this bonus page and you need to click on one of this yellow button and you will direct to the sales page of the offer. So this is the sales page of Curation Cloud. From here you can buy this product for $27, and remember, only if you only want to get only the front end for $27, you don't need to buy all the upgrades and you can get all my bonuses. The upgrade is really recommended, but if you don't want, you don't need to buy them too to get all the bonuses. So you can get all the bonuses if you buy the front end. So this is the sales page of Curation Cloud. In the headline you can see stop paying for ads, get instant traffic with our exclusive content, system used daily by over 2,000 people, legally still content. Here is the brand new app that lets you siphon tons of content you didn't create and turn it into all the traffic you could ever desire. So here you can scroll down and see what you can exactly do with this program. You can see all the benefits, also a demo video and Curation Cloud in action. Here are some more benefits. You can find the bonuses that I showed you, some testimonials of people that use this product, and also in the end you can click on the link to buy this product and the tool. So this is the sales page of Curation Cloud, and let's see the program in action. So how you can exactly use it. So this is the dashboard. This is the main page of Curation Cloud. Here you can see how many blogs that you connect to, how many WordPress blogs that you connected, how many social accounts you connected, and how many blog posts you post to your website. So in the second section you find the content. So from here you can find all the good content that you can promote to your website or to your social account. So you can see a lot of good and really good viral content. You can do it by months, by 24 hours, and also by from the last 7 days. So I'm clicking here on months, and you can see I can write here crypto, and I can search for a lot of things, and from that I will build my website. So you can see I click soccer and it will find me a lot of viral content about soccer. You can see how many words, and you can click here on view more and it will take you to Robin's post. This is the website that the posts are in, and what you can do is click on post, and then you can post this website to your one of your social account that you connect to Curation Cloud, or to your WordPress website. So all you need to do is to click in here. After you connecting your WordPress website, it will be here, or your social account. You click here and then click on the publish, and it will publish it to your website or to your social account. You can also use the auto posters. So with the auto posters you can just type some search term, add in here your blog, how many minimum words that you want to post, and how many posts per day. You click on save, and then every single day and on or in how many days that you pick in here on post per day, it will start posting these posts on your website, and it will make your website a really more viral. So this is the auto posters. Here is the social media social account. So you click in here on add social account, and here you can add all the social networks. So this is the WordPress. You can add your WordPress website. This is the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, ImageGuru, Blogger, and Reddit. So here you can add all your social network accounts, and you can also post from Curation Cloud into your social media account, so you can get a good engagement also in social. Then the next one is blogs. So here you can add your WordPress blogs. Here you have the calendar, so it shows you which post you are posting and in which hour, and you can see it by month, by year. So this is this is the calendar. And the next one is tutorials. So if you don't know how to use in one of these things, on one of these you don't know how to search content, how to add your WordPress website, how to add social account, you can go here on tutorials and it will show you exactly what you need to do. So you're having here a tutorial for every single section. The next one is RSS feeds. So you can, if you have a WordPress website, you can create RSS feeds. So this is the feed on the left of the website. So it will show all the feeds that someone can click, and then it will direct them to the post. So this is the RSS feed. So you can also create it from Curation Cloud. And then the last one is support. So if you have something that you don't know, you need some support, you can just click in here, and then you can open a ticket, and someone from Curation Cloud team will give you some support and solve all your problems. So this is it. This is how you can use Curation Cloud, and you can get this software right now for $27, and you can get also all my bonuses. So you can get the Engager plugin for your website, making your website blazing fast plugin, guide to crush it with content marketing, and another training about TikTok traffic secrets, and a list of the best products to promote for affiliate marketing. And for the rest, you can get also all the vendor bonuses that you can see also on the sales page. Free bonuses that vendors gives you also get if you all buy Curation Cloud. And this is it for this video. So if you like this video, type on the like button down below this video, and if you want to see all my future reviews, you can do it by the subscribe button down below. If you have any question, you can type it on the comments down below this video. Thanks you guys for watching this video. My name is Elad Morad, and I will see you on the next one.